The Gower Peninsula in Wales hosts any number of wooded valleys within which are hidden delights. This time, we focus on a mostly wooded walk from Parkmill on the A418 west of Swansea through the village of Ilston. And for those who would like to do the full loop, there's an option to continue north and then west and back to Parkmill by way of the Llethrid Valley. Just begins southwest of Swansea Airport. We begin a bit east of Parkmill and follow along the path of the stream within the Ilston Valley to the village. And then we rise up from the valley onto the Fairwood Common and along the B4271 and then west for several miles and then south through the Parkmill woodlands where there are caves as well as an ancient burial mound. And gradually, the sounds of the woodlands begin to be replaced by traffic noises, and we are back to Parkmill. The start of the walk is about 500 meters east of Parkmill. The A4118 is not at all pedestrian friendly, so find the path on the south side of that road that leads to Sandy Lane, and then you can cross over. Look for the Ilston finger point just west of the Gower Inn. And once you're on the path, within a few moments, the traffic noises will be replaced by bird songs and the occasional babbling of water in the stream. And now we come to the first of many bridges. And there is water in the stream. Later on, we'll find out this is not always the case. As you walk along, occasionally slow down and look up. The trees in the valley really stretch to the sky. The second bridge, we come to our first hidden gem, a very, very old chapel ruin. And then we come to one of the more curious aspects of the walk. That stream? Well, sometimes it's not there. It's flowing underground, and we can't really see anything but the stream bed. And guess what? Another bridge. And the character of the woodlands continues to change. Rather more mature trees and so tall. Even though it was dry on this walk, prior rains means there's often places where you have to do a little bit of a detour. On the main path, there's plenty of evidence of the hurricanes, essentially, that came through Wales more than a year ago, and it's beginning to just become part of the landscape. And after quite a long dry spell, well, there's water back in the stream bed. And after the quiet of the woodlands, well, starting to hear something that's a little bit different. We must be getting close to Ilston. And in the churchyard is one of those grandfather trees.
grab fuel very good.
It's a non-bridge bridge.